This is Anthony in the middle of mating. Listen closely, you could hear him. He's a good boy. He doesn't get mean when his hormones are raging. He just wants his space to be respected, and I totally get that and understand that. I know I'm not supposed to let him do this to my hand, but he's happy and that's all I care about. So he's never gonna have another mate as far as a bird. So if standing on top of my hand is gonna make this little guy happy, then so be it. Quite frankly, I'd do anything for him. Can you hear him? This would go on all night if I let it, but I'm gonna step away now, and I'm gonna end this video just by letting Anthony know how much I love him. Night, Bubba. Mama loves you very much.